Habang inaasikaso si Lela at Caprice, biglang...
So, ito na. Uy! Ako sasagot! Go!
Kuya, I was so nervous po talaga kanina. Especially po since ako po yung nasa reception area, kuya. So ako po talagang sasagot ng tawag, kuya.
Hello? PBB Hotel, how can I help you?
Hello? Gusto ko sana magpa-reserve sa PBB Hotel para sa isang tao. For my request, may special dinner ako later. The dinner set up for 2. Thank you.
Dinner. Okay, ma'am. Thank you po.
Sinong cook natin?
Kinabahan ako, kuya. Hindi din namin alam kung sino yung nagpa-reserve sa PBB Hotel. Nag-worry kami kasi wala kaming pagkain na masaserve sa kanila, kuya.
May tinola naman tayo eh.
May kutob ako, kuya, na baka connected siya sa akin or kung sino man pong celebrity house guest.
Hindi na tayo So, sino pong magpe-prepare mamaya ng dinner setup? Manager! So, si Sir Joaquin and si Ma'am Ashley na lang. Okay.
Yes. Sila
Kayo
yung
po pinaka-top. Hoy!
That's how we got to our roles po, kuya. Naturally, nag-gravitate lang po siya sa amin.
Hanggang sa ang housemates nakatanggap muli ng hudyat. Ang higel agad na kinuha ang luggage ng guest.
It's really light, Miguel.
Kasi login.
Oh my Lord!
Ay!
So whose small baggage is this? I don't know.
Ang hindi nila alam, kausap na ni Kuya ang guest na gumawa ng reservation.
Magandang araw sa iyo.
Magandang araw din po.
Bago tayo magpatuloy, maaari ka bang magpakilala muna?
Ako po si Maggie Ford. Ate po ako ni Carmela.
Maligayang pagdating sa bahay ko, Maggie. Or should I say, welcome sa PBB Hotel.
I'm very glad I'm here para mabisita ko po si Lala.
Ano bang klaseng relationship ang meron kayong mag-ate?
Ate niya ako and younger sister ko siya. So, I really grew up to make sure, especially from our parents, na to take care of her, to lead her, to influence her, to help educate her growing up. And she's not the only one who learns from me po, pero ako din, I learn a lot from her. So, ganun po yung relationship namin ni Lela. It's very give and take, but it's very selfless. This is the first time na si Carmela ang wala sa bahay. Ako po, I was in Australia and I was studying there for about 5 years and umuwi po ako tuwing winter or Christmas break every after 4 or 5 months. And I stay here po for about a month. Sa time po na yun na binigay sa akin, I really go out of my way to bring her to activities na gusto niya pong gawin, trying different restaurants or going on dates. Habang nasa Australia po ako, we also call each other on video call and kwekwentuhan po kami after pag-uwi ko po sa bahay. So it's very different.
And how do you feel about that?
Honestly, I'm very happy because she likes to stay at home. So it's very refreshing for me to see that she's doing her own thing and growing habang wala kami, but we're still there with her in her heart, being able to discern kung ano po yung tama, ano po yung mali, and learning po dito sa bahay niyo, kuya.
Okay. Pero ano ba ang mga balak mo? Ano pati yung mga expectations mo coming inside my house?
Bala ko po is to check in your hotel and set up a date for me and Carmela and prepare something for her na magugustuhan niya. I just expect to enjoy and give Carmela a good time kahit hindi kasama yung buong pamilya.
Mabuti. Maggie, ipagkakaloob ko ang hiling mo na makasama sa isang dinner ang iyong kapatid na si Lela. Pero gusto ko, Maggie, ikaw ang maging punong abala para sa inyong dalawa ni Lela.
Okay po.